I was like super excited. Like I automatically went to my dad and I was like, we have to go.
Well, today we're exploring basically what is the architectural program here at Drury University.
Architecture Day is a way for us to, in a really efficient one-day format, answer a lot of questions that prospective students or their families might be having. So for the students, a big question they might have is this right for me? Or what's it going to feel like to be in those classes? So we try to set that up for them by putting them with our students in a studio to do a quick design problem in the afternoon. And this is a way for them to get a better understanding of the way we work, the way our students work, what a studio setting feels like. And then for the parents, we answer all of their questions that might have to do with financial aid or admissions or study abroad or housing or other things that, you know, all parents of new college students are concerned about.
I think architecture is one of the crown jewels that Drury has to offer, and it really has a unique personality. You can tell what the character of the program is. Even on your first visit, you kind of walk away with a strong idea of what this program is like.
Everyone's so nice. Like everyone always says hi and like always wants to get to know more about you. I love that.
The experience that we've had in the last 24 hours has been amazing. Just being here and, you know, finding out about the different mediums and just the space they have upstairs. I mean, it's so open and airy and just kind of gives life to creativity.